I'm on my way to go take a little photo shoot because I haven't posted any pictures to the gram, and I feel like I'm liking that. And then you guys, my bangs are so grown now, like I need to do something to them and to my hair too as well. I'm having what is it, mango dragon fruit drink, which is really good. I love that drink. Catch up with you guys later when I am at the beach. It's a really hot day today as well. It's 72 degrees. Hot.
Watch seafood boil.
Yes, I do. But we're done taking photos. The spot was like, can you see it? Oh yeah, there.
Nice shot.
But some girls came around for us, but then they left when we left, so yeah. I think we got some good photos, so we good to go.
Yeah.
So my husband doesn't like seafood, so what are you having?
Lolitas.
About the airplane. What do you get at Lolitas, babe? Let them know.
Carne asada fries or quesadilla or something. I don't know.
What are you craving? Oh, and then they have horchata there, so yesterday they messed up our horchata.
Yeah, it tastes like water.
Yeah, so
with
maybe
like a little bit of cinnamon.
This time, though, that place has good horchata.
Lolitas?
Yeah. So we'll catch up with you guys later. So I'm all done with my seafood boil. It was so delicious. I loved it. I am pleased. I was thinking about making horchata because the last few days have been really hard for me and my husband with the horchata. Okay guys, a little of my head is cut off, but we're gonna just ignore that for right now. So we are gonna do the horchata recipe. So for this recipe you will need 1 can of la lechera, which looks like this. You can really find it anywhere. 1 can of evaporated milk, which looks like that. I'm too far away to like put it up close, but I'll show all the ingredients at the end. And then 1 stick of this, 1 cinnamon stick. So you will need 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Okay. You will need 8 cups of water, so there's 2 cups in each. 2 cups of water in each cup. Then you will also need 2 cups of rice, and you will need 1.5 cup of sugar. Obviously for this recipe, obviously we're gonna start the recipe, and since I'm like in my dining table because the kitchen's like weird to film in, so I wanted to do everything on the table, but I will bring my phone along to show you guys the process. Right now I'm gonna boil 4 cups of water, which is these 2. I already measure it, with 1 cinnamon stick and 1.5 cups of sugar. So I'm gonna measure that right now, and I have this one right here, so I'm gonna do it with that. Let me dry it because I rinsed it and it's kind of wet. We don't want the sugar to stick, you know. So we're gonna do here, yeah, 1.5 cups of sugar. And honestly, I'm just gonna eye it out. I think that's just a tiny bit. Oops. So there you go, as you can see it, 1.5 cups. So I I brought the sugar with the cinnamon stick and the 4 cups of water to a boil for 5 minutes. Then I let it sit there for 30 minutes. Now we're gonna blend 2 cups of rice in the blender with the 2 cups of boiled sugar and I put 2 of the cinnamon sticks because they were small. Like I couldn't have, so I put 2 of the cinnamon sticks. So we're gonna blend that all together, you guys. Oops. Let me get the cups that I need. So this one's gonna be hard. Oops. Sorry. Okay, that is not enough. So maybe I'll grab like a tablespoon so we can fill it to the 1 cup. Okay guys, so in the blender, 1 cup of rice, and then this is really messy. See? 2 cups. There's that. Now we're gonna add we're gonna add the cinnamon sticks. Half the cinnamon stick and half the other stick. This. Now we're gonna add 2 cups of the boiled cinnamon. So 1 cup. Okay. So now I'm gonna close this and I'm gonna go blend it. Be right back. So it should look like this. Grab your pitcher, and then what you want to do is grab your strainer, and the Ninja is so handy because it has a little opening. So then you want to just, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend La Lechera, the whole can, with the rest of the sugar, and then we're gonna add it to the pitcher again and we'll strain it. This is how it's looking. Should look like this. I'm scared. I'll show close up, guys. In a second, I'm gonna open that lechera. Here we're gonna add the lechera. I failed at opening it, guys. Sorry. But you want to pour the whole can. This already smells so good. I can't wait. My husband's gonna be so stoked. He loves horchata water. Now we're gonna add the rest of the syrup. So it looks like this. So we are gonna strain it again because this, I can't say it, the sugar could have had pieces of cinnamon still, so we want to strain it. And like that, so it looks like this. It smells delicious. Now we're gonna add the evaporated milk. So evaporated milk. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of the vanilla extract. 2. Oh no. So this is it. Every time.
Frankie wants some. Oh,
Oh,
does
that-
it show up? Oh, yeah, it is.
He wants everything. You want everything, huh? You want everything. You want everything. He wants ice because he loves ice.
Fucking nice everywhere. These
I know.
are super frozen and weak in here.
Do you want more? Or I can give you some.
Honestly, that's fine.
Yay.
Damn, I never had like homemade horchata.
You never had a homemade horchata?
Mm-mm.
Because you never had a Mexican girlfriend.
Well, I have for the last few years, but you know.
Few years? Okay. Taste test. Cheers.
Oh, I thought these were glass.
Oh my god, so
Holy crap, it's so good.
you like it? It needs more
Is
water.
this what horchata is supposed to taste like?
Yeah. It's so good, huh? It's like so freaking delicious.
What the?
What does it taste like? Milk? You're like, it's milk.
There's
What
no
is-
milk in it, huh? Oh, there
No,
is that evaporated milk.
and la lechera. Basically milk.
Oh, it kind of tastes like a. I don't know, like eggnog almost.
Yeah. Huh? But better than eggnog, because eggnog has a little...
It's like
Yeah,
less rich than eggnog. I can actually like drink it without feeling like I'm dying.
Are you going to get heartburn? So, what do you rate this 1
10.
out of 10? 10? Yay, you like it?
It's super good.
Let's do our thumbnail. So, come here.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers. Yay, I'm glad you like it, baby.
The hell, it's so good.
It's so good. Well, yes, guys, I succeeded at making my horchata. If you guys want to make this recipe, I will leave the recipe down below so you guys can go back to it and get it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.